What we're going to do, be presenting this time, is an intertribal game. This one is called the hand game. As Seneca people and Iroquois people, we have certain games that we use for not only entertainment, but also for ceremonies. And one of the unique things about games is they can be played of entertainment, but also for the benefit of a person's well-being, meaning that certain games are considered medicine games, okay? A good example of that, of course, is lacrosse. This game was used amongst the Plains people, and it was used and would be played sometimes between clans. It would be played sometimes between villages or families. So now what we use it for is we use this game in our community and in my family for big family gatherings.
And sure enough, the birds and Turtle rose higher and higher. Well, now Turtle was up high enough he could see on top of all the four-leggeds. And he thought, oh, what a beautiful sight. Why is it that these birds never told me how beautiful the things are that they see when they're flying high?
We're here with the friends of the White Corn Project, Ganondagan. I brought some snow snakes with me. We build a real snow snake track when we have snow. Unfortunately, we're way away from the lake and we don't get a lot of snow the way we get it back home. So today we're in a classroom setting. This here is a piece of what we call Madagascar ebony. This is a piece of maple, and you notice it's white. This is dark.
Okay.
That's a big difference already. But the density formula is within the wood itself. You can't see it on the camera, but I can feel it in my hands. The Woodland Indians, where I'm from, New York, our track is built up off the ground. Okay. Normally we like to say it's at our hips, and we'll go out about 40, 60 feet, and we start tapering down to the ground. And we'll put a log in there, and we'll drag that log for a length of time till we see fit. At one time, the sport was dwindling. It is just so great to see it. I'm glad I was part of it. The young and youth that came forward and started getting involved, big time. Across the board in Indian country, it's grown. This is an oral tradition. We keep our people tight. We keep our community solid. We're here to stay, baby.
My name is Jolynn. I have a kennel called Kindred Moon, and I'm here today to do a winter festival so that people can come and meet and greet the dogs. We can do demonstrations, but we need snow for that. These are purebred Siberian Huskies. They came to America in 1908 from northern Siberia. They're a breed that was developed to pull sleds, and they do love to do that. And they're an Arctic working dog. So this temperature today is a very pleasant day for them. They're totally, well-furred, ears, feet, the whole thing for this kind of weather. And that's one of the things that makes them a great dog to mush or dog sled with. So the original people that had them, that were transporting the food and the dogs by dog sled, this was a very manageable breed that was developed by the Chukchi tribes in northern Siberia to do this work.
Hello, my name is Belinda from Tuscarora, White Bear Clan. This is Peter Sheehan. I'm just doing some maple syrup demonstration. Here we have some sap boiling down that we've collected from our backyard. And we've been doing syrup together for about 7 years. And I've been doing it myself for about 12 years. Here we have some maple sugar, which is just syrup reduced down into more granulated form. And here's some sugar molds. To me, maple syrup is just a lot more healthier than the store-bought syrup, which is just high fructose corn syrup flavored. And this is just straight from the tree.
Yeah, we treat the sap because it's medicine. In the very beginning of the tree awakening, the science of it is it's sending all these signals to the tree to start awakening and to start the process of growth. So it's sending all the signals and proteins to where it needs to go to start the process of building. And we're just intercepting a little bit of it for ourselves, and that we drink and give to our family and community as medicine because it has those medicinal properties.
Syrup time is exciting because it means spring is right around the corner.